All right, guys. I want to talk about a stupid play I just did. I think there's a lot to learn from it. It's a good trading lesson. Here throughout the day, there has been some news. Powell had some positive talks. A lot going on in the market. The fact that it bounced, interesting. And again, we're seeing some of this stuff from the last couple videos outline, even like I said, what could make the market bounce. It's interesting to see the reactions to all this stuff. This is what you guys should pay attention for, is now what we were expecting, what comes out, and how it happens. So I'm going to talk about nothing related to the market right now, except as it relates to Facebook. I made a play on there. I'm doing decent today. I'm up like 450 bucks. It sucks because I realized another like 600 bucks on Amazon, but it doesn't show up on my, if I put up my realized here, it will tell you, I think it was like, yeah, I made 500 then. But you see here, it says I'm only up 70 bucks total realized. That's because I took the loss on that Facebook. So let me show you guys that play. I want to talk about it. There's some lessons that could come up from it. Why do I have fucking hair in my eyes? Here it is. So Facebook 134 put, I got 5 of them. Bought them yesterday, 168 a pop, 800 bucks. My thing cuts out when I touch my lens. Closed out yesterday for 107. I took a loss. And now I want to explain why, because if I look at those, I sold those for 107. I bought them for 150. They're now trading at 203 right now. So pretty much I had 5 of those. I sold them for what, 500 bucks? I could have sold all 5 of those for about 1,000 bucks and some change. I could have been up 40 cents per contract from where I bought them yesterday. But I took a loss, and I actually took the loss. I realized it, and I want to talk about why. It's going to start with the strike price. Well, I woke up, the market was gapped up. There was some, news that could be taken as dovish. I saw the market go up. What I was expecting was those calls to get destroyed. And since I bought them yesterday, I figured, hey, if I'm down, and I saw them, I was down at 60%. Market started dropping. I was down at like 25% loss, 30% loss. I said, that's not too bad. I'll take it. And I fucked up because I wasn't looking at the strike price I owned. That's where when I'm going back and seeing it, I panicked. I had a full plan with this play yesterday. That's why when I was looking, I had another set of contracts at a further strike price that I wanted to cut out. It was only a couple $100 left. I figured if I cut out those, I could at least save some money, but I didn't want to risk this because this was a weekly, and that's the thing where you get to even see how the shorter time frames can fuck you up. That's what happens with weeklies. You got to really think on a shorter time scale when to make your decision, and that's what happened because I had a plan with that. I guess I panicked because it was there, but what I could have saw, and this is, I'm very nervous to give this advice because it goes both ways. You'll see it with options. Sometimes the market, and this is what happened today, it worked. The market opened, it gapped up, but the premiums weren't down that much. That contract should have been down a lot more than 50, 60%. It recovered very fast. You should be able to see when things are happening, when things aren't happening. So there's that, where sometimes though, it may look like something's lagging or not responding, where, oh, the put should be cheaper. It doesn't go down, and only for it to happen a few hours later, and then you get crushed. So you can't always trade on that. But it's interesting to watch. I'm still watching Facebook. I have other positions. The ones I didn't cut, I'm still holding. So I think those are going to make me back my $300. However, it still kind of sucks. I have to, I want to play this. Facebook's interesting. Facebook is kind of doing its own thing relative. And then the market catches up, or FANG catches up, or then it catches up to FANG and tech. So it's weird right now, but I think there's stuff going on with it. They have a lot of news. That's why I'm watching it. So it's getting confusing though with all of the data coming on. I think once we get more clear cut, it'll be easier, but hopefully you guys see this is why you should paper trade. This is why you should practice. It's easy to get emotional, and really if you don't have a plan, or if you make a plan and then backtrack on it within 24 hours, you're gonna lose. That's every time that happens to me. So it sucks. Hopefully this helps you guys out. Thought it'd be a cool thing. You guys could see it play. Don't go crazy trading weeklies. Yeah, be smart. Subscribe to the channel. Love you all. Peace.